Ever wondered if there was a way to manage your crypto and traditional banking all in one place? What if you could receive Ether directly into an account that also gives you a German IBAN, allowing you to seamlessly switch between your digital assets and fiat? Sounds pretty revolutionary, right? Well, that's exactly what Bitwala offers. In a world where crypto and traditional finance often feel like two separate universes, Bitwala is the bridge, creating a frictionless experience for its users. Today, we're diving into a core feature of this platform: how to receive Ether. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid in crypto, a trader moving assets from another exchange, or simply someone who just bought some ETH and wants to hold it securely, this is for you. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy to understand even if you're new to the world of crypto wallets. The first thing you need to do is log into your Bitwala account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, which gives you an overview of your various wallets. Look for the Ether wallet and select it. This will take you to a dedicated screen for your ETH holdings. On this page, you'll find a few options: send, receive, and trade. To get your Ether, you'll obviously want to select Receive. Clicking this button will bring up a new window. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a unique string of characters. This is your personal Bitwala Ether wallet address. It's like your crypto bank account number. You'll also see a QR code, which is just a scannable version of the same address. This address is critical. It's the destination for any Ether you want to receive. You can copy it directly by clicking the copy button. It's important to always double-check the address you've copied to ensure it's correct. A single incorrect character can send your funds to an irretrievable black hole in the blockchain. Now that you have your address, you can use it on any external platform to send Ether to your Bitwala account. For example, if you're withdrawing from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, you'll paste this address into their withdrawal field. If someone is paying you in Ether, you'll provide them with this address. Always remember to also note the network you're using. Bitwala operates on the standard Ethereum network, so make sure the sender is also using the same network. Sending Ether from a different network, like Binance Smart Chain, will result in the loss of your funds. Once the transaction is initiated, it will need to be confirmed by the Ethereum network. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on network congestion. You can usually view the transaction status on a block explorer, but Bitwala will also notify you once the funds arrive. When they do, you'll see the updated balance in your Bitwala Ether wallet. And that's it. Your Ether is now securely in your Bitwala account, ready for you to hold, trade for other crypto, or even instantly sell for euros and transfer to your linked bank account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.